introducing someone.
Hi,
Hi, George.
he is one of my classmates.
Oh, hi.
How do you do?
How do you do? Happy to meet you. I have heard of you.
Sorry, friends. I have to leave now. You guys continue. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye, George.
Bye, George.
May I know your name, please?
I'm Brian. You are?
I am Emma.
You are from?
I am from Maharagama. And you?
I am from Nugagoda.
Are you still going to school?
No, I have left school now. I am trying to get a job. Are you working anywhere?
Yes, I am working at the People's Bank.
What are you there?
I am a clerk. Okay, Brian, I should go now. Happy to meet you. Bye.
Happy to meet you too, Emma. Bye.